Hey, fourth graders. This is another math lesson. This is checking your change, pages 249 to 250. So there's nothing really new in this lesson. It's more of a life tip lesson. For example, whenever you're getting change from a cashier, it's always a really good idea to check to see if you got the right amount of money back. And yeah, if you get too little change, you should just be polite and ask the cashier to give you back the right amount of change. If they give you too much, God wants us to be honest, and we should let the clerk know and give them back the extra money that they gave us. So, going back to our previous lessons on counting change, you always want to start with the cost of the item and keep adding to that item cost until you reach the amount that you paid the clerk. So one way to check your change, we learned last time, is to kind of give and say, um, column. So you start with the amount that item cost. In this case, is $2.18, and we're going to keep adding to that until we get to $5. And we want to start with the lowest amount first. So 2 pennies. Instead of writing 2 pennies, I'm just going to write 2 cents. 2 cents added to $2.18 is $2.20. And 1 nickel is 5 cents. So that's $2.25. So yeah, they reached to the first 25-cent increment, 25 cents. And 3/4 is 75 cents. So $2.25 plus 75 cents is $3. And then they gave them $2, which gets us to $5. So this amount here, our change here, $2.82 is the right amount of change that we should get back. All right, so let's do this same thing for number one. We'll do the first couple of problems together. So the first problem here, the item costs $2.57. We gave the clerk $3, and the clerk gave us back 43 cents. Let's see if that's the correct amount of change. So we're checking to see if it's correct or not. And if it is, then we can put a check mark in this box here. All right, so it's the same thing. We'll do a give and say column. So first thing, we start with $2.57. The clerk gave us 3 pennies, 3 cents, which means now we have $2.60. Remember, we keep adding to this until we get to $3. All right, and then we got 1 nickel, which is 5 cents. So 260 plus 1 nickel equals 265. 1 dime is 10 cents. Now we got $2.75. Then add 1/4. So now that gives us $3. So this amount here, yes, it's correct. Our change should be 43 cents, which is how much we got back. So we can do a check mark in this column here. Let's check the next one, see if the next one's correct. So we bought something that costs $3.06, and we gave the clerk $5, and the clerk gave us 94 cents back. Let's see if that's the correct amount. So we start with $3.06. So if I added up all this change here, if it's the correct amount, then it should all equal up to $5. So start with 4 pennies, 4 cents. This is $3.10. Add 1 nickel, which is 5 cents. Now we have $3.15. Add 1 dime, 10 cents. Now we have $3.25. And 3/4 is 75 cents. And now we have $4. So did we reach the $5? Did we reach the $5 that we gave the clerk? Nope. So all this change only equals up to $4. So we're actually short $1. Okay, so this is incorrect. So we're not checking this. So in this case, you would go back to the cashier and let the person know, hey, you owe me $1 more. All right. So you go ahead and do the next 3 on your own. If it's the right amount of change, then just put a check mark in this column. All right. If it's not, then leave it blank. Just a quick reminder on how to do these problems in case you forgot. Write each mixed number or fraction as decimal. So this fraction here, 2/10, really easy to write this decimal point as a decimal number. First you need your decimal point, and just whatever the numerator is here, just put it to the right of the decimal point, and that gives you 2/10, because this 2 is in the tenths place, right? Yeah. All right, so for 63 and 2/100ths, you want to do 63 and, let's see, decimal point. Well, this is in 2/100ths. This is the 100ths place. Do you remember what the 100ths place is? Yeah, it should be in the third column. So 0, tens. Oops. Actually, no, in the second column. Sorry. This is the tenths place, right? Tenths. The next place is hundredths. So yeah, so 2 goes here. All right. So that's about it for today. Hope you're doing well. Take care.